and today we will be doing part 2 of fighting bad guys in Gorbox. Yay! You pig! Okay, here are the guys who want to shoot me. I'm gonna shoot them in the head. Die! Get out of my way! I'll shoot you in your neck. Gun down. I'm getting out my most powerfulest weapon. Grenade. Goodbye. Bye bye. Gosh, I shot his hand off. Okay, let's go. Die, die. Please have a Your injured eye won't help you. Get your arm ripped off, buddy. Okay, we have to kill more. Where's the bad guys? Come on. Die!
Look at this.
You wait. Ask your mom. Okay?
Okay, I give up.
You guys are bad person.
Let's go, Ace. Let's go, Ace.
Ako na lang po yung tagapatay ng Ayan, ako na lang po yung tagapatay ng Israel. Meron na lang po sa TikTok tayo ng Israel.
Hey there. Hey there. Ah. How are you?
Alam mo, mag-aagaw ng corona. So, siguro grabe. Sila Union at saka si Pampanga.
Surrender, okay?
Alex, may sino mo sa bata? Pinatay mo daw sa ate Lana daw na.
I'm playing bad stuff. I'm playing bad.
Oo, kaya nagkidali ka na. Ano tayo?
Come here.
Tapos naka-order na sila ng food.
I'm making a video. I'm making a video for my viewers.
Let's talk this out, okay? Let's talk this out. I surrender.
Bakit school? Bakit nakalo ka? Ano ba yan? Si Tassie?
Hindi naman sila maano dyan.
Bakit naman? Tapos wala nakatingin. Gusto ko is nasan ka? Hindi ka. Paano naman maano yan?
I give up. Just don't shoot. Hey, let's talk this out, okay?
Malaki naman yung ano. Asan lang?
Magkano yun to?
471.
Ito.
Ito 628. 620. Akala ko 620. 600. Pero wala kasi tulog pa ng 2 bedroom. Pero yung 2 bedroom, namahalan tayo eh. Kaya mo na. Maganda yung 3 bedroom ng Lemirage kasi up and down siya doon sa City Walk.
I love you.
Oo, yung sa baba.